OR2 is basically like the practical component and the OSCE mostly, and medical emergencies. We conduct OSCE as part of assessment of masters, the AGDP. So the medical emergencies and all the OSCEs and the communication sessions and everything is part of the OSCE. But the practical exercises for the OR2, we do conduct them as an exam here for our students as part of their assessment as well.
Welcome, my dear friends, to this video. You guys have been asking me whether the College of Medicine and Dentistry really exists here in Birmingham, and whether their program of advanced general dental practice really does prepare overseas dentists to pass ORE. As you can see, I'm here at the college and I'm very excited to bring you all the answers to your questions. So stay tuned and let's go. Alright guys, before we continue, I want to make this big disclaimer. This video should not be taken as an endorsement for the college. I am simply doing this because you guys asked for this video, and my work is to bring you the information. When you request for a video, I have to make it. But this cannot be and should not be considered by any means as endorsement for the college. If you choose to apply and get admitted, you do it entirely at your own discretion. And as always, I am not being paid anything whatsoever, financial or otherwise, to make this video. I'm simply doing it to share information with you guys who have been interested in knowing all about this college and this program and what is there for you. Having said that, let's continue. So my friends, as you can see, this is the lecture room. Since I'm already here, I decided that I might just first show you this. Then we go and see more interesting areas of this college that you guys, if you decide to come, you'll be able to learn from. So let's go. So let's go this side. So actually, this is the entrance from downstairs to the reception of the college. So let me just turn like this so you can see the whole reception, where you guys will be received the first time you come here. So I think you can see this is the reception area. I don't need to show you much about this. Let's go to the more interesting areas. So right, this room here, what we have here is your break area. Here you can sit and relax, chat with your friends, do your reading if you like, because we have all these tables. Or you can just decide to read one of these magazines. There are a lot of magazines here, dentistry related, that you guys as dentists would be very much interested in. And just right next to our break room here, we have classroom 2. This is basically for medical simulation. So we have an adult phantom here. There is a small one there for a baby, and then others are here. So here is where medical situations or scenarios are simulated and you are told how to handle each one of them. And then let's go to the next one. And right next to it, we have a small classroom. This is where you have some discussions with your teachers. As you can see, the college really takes a few students, and I think that is good because then you get all the attention that you need as a student. So here is where you have your discussions with your teachers. So right now, let us look at our surgical training room. Right in here, as you can see, the equipment and the layouts is where we practice facial aesthetics, oral surgery, implant surgery, and endodontics, among other surgical disciplines. So right here is where you'll be able to learn all those other procedures. Let's go to the next one. And right here, as you can see, this is a simulation lab. So if you are coming for advanced general dental practice, you will spend a lot of your time in this phantom head room. As you can see, all these are chairs and phantom heads that you'll be doing practice from. It is very well fitted with modern equipment, as you can see, guys. So this college really does exist. Let's take a look at other rooms. Are you getting any useful information so far? If that's the case, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't get to miss any of the information that I'll be putting up on this channel. Thank you for doing that. Let's continue. And what we have right here, as you can see, is the actual dental clinic of the college, where actual patients are treated, especially for orthodontics, for implants, and things like that. It is an actual clinic, as you can see, until over there. Here, guys, I think that you are seeing that it is an actual college, right? Yeah, so if you are beginning to believe, just give this video a thumbs up. Okay, friends, I think you have already seen that the college really does exist. But we still have some questions. Does the college really prepare overseas dentists to pass ORE exam? And when are the intakes for the college? And some other questions that might pop up. For that, let's go and ask somebody who actually has concrete answers to these questions. Come with me. Welcome, guys, to this final part of the video where the questions you have been asking me are going to be answered right now. So, what am I supposed to say again?
Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you again. I am sure we have met before, but just in case you have forgotten my name, I'm Emmanuel.
So my name is Kabir.
So
yeah, you can shoot your questions now.
Okay, so the reason I have looked for you is that I have a YouTube channel. I don't know whether you are aware of it, but I get questions about the college. And the very first question is, does the College of Medicine and Dentistry exist in Birmingham, or it is fake?
You're here, so I would say you're the best person to answer this question. But I would say, yeah, we do exist.
Yeah, actually, I am a student here at the college, but I didn't want you to take my word for it, so that's why I got the person who has been through the program. So, the college exists, right?
Yes.
Does the program of advanced general dental practice exist too?
Yes, it does. And I'll just give you like a quick review about the program in terms of like what we expect the students to do. So it prepares students for ORE, mostly ORE2, not ORE1. It's because ORE1 is a self-study session. It's mostly self-study. So it depends upon you, your speed, and how well you retain the knowledge of your BDS. But if it's like part 2 of ORE, so you can see the mannequin lab here. So we do prepare students for the ORE part 2 exam in terms of like mannequins. But when it comes to the OSCE part of ORE2 and medical emergencies, yes, they do get teachings related to that. And so part of the MSc program, we conduct OSCE and practical exams as their assessment for the master program, which you also get in ORE2 as well. We have a nice phantom head and lab as you can see. So we do prepare a student for all the practical exercises and everything that they do in ORE2. And the OSCEs, yes, we do prepare the student for OSCEs as well. So it's because it's part of the assessment to pass the MSc. So yes, in terms of that, yes, we do prepare the students. So ORE2 is basically like the practical component and the OSCE. Mostly, and medical emergencies. We conduct OSCE as part of assessment of masters, the AGDP. So the medical emergencies and all the OSCEs and the communication sessions and everything, it's part of the OSCE. But the practical exercises for the ORE2, we do conduct them as an exam here for our students as part of their assessment as well.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and that is in semester 2.
Semester 2.
Yeah. So now you're in semester 1. So just submissions for you for basic sciences, ETT and research. But in semester 2, you'll be having submissions of 4 clinical cases plus OSCE plus the practical exam that you're gonna do in your semester 2.
Since you have already answered how you prepare, so I want to ask. It seems like the whole program is about ORE. Is it all about ORE?
It is about ORE, but like not just about ORE. It's because it introduces you towards research and teaches like new skills in research. and an audit as well. And other than that, we do have a module for you guys, which is clinical governance, which which basically prepares students for how to practice in UK, or it introduces the students towards all the guidelines and rules and clinical governance, and how to run a practice, and what you expected to do in a practice in UK, all your obligations toward your practice and toward the GDC and everything. So it's not just ORE, it's just bits of everything that you should know about dentistry in UK.
Great. So when are the intakes?
So we do get, I would say, 3 intakes, one in January, one in May, and the last one, the third one, in September every year.
Okay, great. So this particular question, I don't know whether you have the answer, but I would be interested in knowing, of those who have been taking the ORE, how many pass after going through this course?
I would say quite a lot of my students, like I get emails, like some of my students, they do email me saying that, oh hi, just to let you know I passed the exam.
Oh wow.
So yeah, we do keep an eye on them, and I just respond to them that, oh, thank you so much for letting me know and congratulations. But some of them, obviously they're busy, so they would not email me.
Yeah, usually when things go well, nobody complains.
Yes, but I would say generally a lot of my students, they do pass, and they email me saying that they passed the exam, and so far, like, quite a lot of my students who passed their ORE 1 and have passed their ORE 2 recently, and some of them, they recently passed their ORE 1, so it's just going, the cycle is just continuing, and I hope it never stops.
Wow, that's great. You don't have to answer this one if you don't feel like, because I understand that the fees keep changing. Is it an expensive course?
It depends upon you. It depends upon, it's very personal. It depends upon people and their budget. So it's very subjective. Like, I don't know how much would be expensive.
I'll give you an example.
Yeah.
I made a video about the bridging program in the UK here. Let me not mention it. Those who are interested in the video can check it out, bridging BDS program. But one of the comments I got is that this program is for the rich. In all honesty, it is actually expensive because it's around £70,000. Yeah, so
but this one, the fee is around 19,500 or something. But I'm not the best person to talk about the fee.
Yeah, that's why I gave you an option.
You have to contact the admission team for that.
Exactly. That brings me to my next point.
Refer to the website, because it's been mentioned on the website.
Now that brings me to my probably final question. If I'm interested in coming for this program, where can I get all the information I need?
You can go check out everything on the website, and on the website, I think we have emails for the admissions team. So or like anyone you can contact, and from there the team will take on, and they would just give you all the information that you would need related, like admission or the admission criteria. They would walk you through the admission process.
Okay. Wow, I think all the questions have been answered.
That was quick then.
Yeah, I think the questions have been answered, because those are the main questions I get asked. So guys, you have heard. The fees we cannot discuss right now because it is beyond the scope of this video. But what I can tell you is that it is affordable, and they have payment plans. You don't have to pay all the money at once, but you can actually discuss further with the admission team, as he has said. So I'm going to leave a link to the college website so you guys can check it out and then take it up from there. Otherwise, thank you very much, Kabir. Yeah, I think we have come to the end of it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't, because more is coming. Bye bye. See you in the next one.